Hello friends. So in this video we are going to see the next problem of orthographic projection. The figure shows the pictorial view of isometric view of an object using x direction. Complete the front view, top view and left hand side view. The left hand side view, because of x direction we can see the front view of an object, and from left hand side view, from this direction we require to see the side view. The left hand side view they asked to draw. The pictorial view of an object, we can see the half portion. This is base plate, and the vertical block portion we can see in front view, and inclined part from top end to bottom end. So initially we require to calculate the length, width and height. From front view we require to calculate the length and height of the object. For length you can see, for length, total end from first end to center line, total 32 mm. From this center line to this center line, total distance is 114, and the up to this end again this is the 32 mm. 32 plus 114 plus 32 means 178 mm. If it is not possible to draw 170 mm, if it is not possible, I am saying if it is not possible, at that time you can take the scale 1:2. We can take all the scales with the 0.5. We can multiply with 0.5 and we can take the half scale and we can reduce the dimensions. By using that, total length of the object is, we can calculate. So 32 we can take 16 mm. Now 114 mm we can take 57 mm, and again 16 mm is 32 mm, again take we can 16 mm. So total length of object is 89. So initially convert all the dimension to half scale, and all dimension we can use to draw the front view, top view and side view. It is not necessary to take all the time half scale. If it is larger scale, you can reduce it to half scale. Now for front view, total length of the object it is 89 mm. Total height of the object, height we can calculate. So this block, upper block it is having 45 mm, and the height of the object it is a 19 mm. So 19 means that is a 9.5 plus 22.5, that is a total height, means 32 mm is the height. Similar way we can calculate the width of object. Total width of object is 64 mm, or we can simply, the diameter of the half circle it is 64. So half scale is 32 mm. So width of object it is 32 mm, length 89 mm, height 32 mm and width 32 mm. So initially we require to finalize the position of front view, top view and side view. So x direction shows the front view of object. In front view we can use the right hand side view. Right hand side view, that is this is the front view, and left hand side view we are going to draw on the right side. That is for first angle projection method. So for front view position we can draw front view here. We can draw the front view here. Then we can draw top view here, and side view we can draw here. So this is the initially we require to finalize the all the positions of the views. Next, in VP, vertical plane and horizontal plane, and this is a profile plane. So draw vertical and horizontal line. Take 10 mm distance. So this is the 10 mm distance dimensions we can take. Or come on, quick dimensions or linear dimensions we can check is the 10 mm distance for all the sides. Blue color lines are 10 mm away. They because of the two views cannot mix up together. Now the first line, we start with the drawing from this corner. So this is the end. We can consider total length of the object, it is a 89. From this point take horizontal distance is 89. Take line command. In this end we can draw 89 mm. Okay, then now we start to draw. Take command from this end. Total length of the object, it is 89, and the base plate total height, it is a 19. We can take half scale to the 9.5. Again base plate total length is 89, vertically 9.5 is the height of the base plate. Okay, this way you can complete the base plate. In this base plate we cannot see the holes that is present from one end, that is distance is 32 mm. We can take the center line, invisible part also we can complete. That is a 16 mm. And the same center line we can take the other side also, that is a distance 16 mm for both the sides. Now that is a holes are invisible having diameter 22 mm. So 22 mm means two edges. 22 means that is a 11 mm, means that is a 5.5. We can take invisible portion, that is a hole we show with the dotted lines. We can load the dotted line, that is a dash. Okay, now select the dotted line. From this end we can take 5.5. Initially distance from this end 5.5 meter. For that we can take dotted line. Is the 9.5, enter. So you can take the dotted line near about 5.5 because of total diameter of the drill is 22 mm. So half scale diameter is 11. Other side, that is we can show with the dotted line and 5.5 mm. The similar way the total hole diameter show two dotted lines for hole that is invisible in front view. The same we can apply for the other side also. Hole from this base plate, it is not visible in X direction. Take command and you can show the dotted lines. 5.5 distance, 5.5 mm distance. So total 11 mm hole, 2 holes or 2 drills are present for the base plate. This is the base plate part. Now top block, you can see the top block. Change the line type, select. Now it is a present 64 mm exact at the middle. So again we can take center line. The use of center line, it is a necessary, easily can draw. Use of center line. So by using this we can complete the upper part or upper block. From center, total height of the block it is 22.5 and the block it is exact 64 mm. From this point can take 22.5 for reference. We can take the line horizontal, we can mark the point. Now again to complete this point can take 16 mm because of total 64 mm means half scale 32. So 16 enter, 16 enter. In total height is 22.5. Horizontally total 32 mm, 22.5. This is the block we can see, and middle portion the thickness it is given 13 mm. So 13 mm means that is a half scale. We can take 6.5 mm, 6.5 mm, vertical 22.5. Again from this end to internal side 6.5, half scale of 13 mm, and vertically height 45 to half 22.5. So this is the front view of an object. We can see these holes we cannot see, so that are with the dotted line we can show, and this is a visible part. Top portion it is also visible. Now we can complete the top view. In top view, in this object we can see the in top view, that is a half portion and this plate. Similar way, it is a half portion and this part you can see, and holes is directly visible, and the top C shape, block shape we can see. So we can complete the top view. So take line command, same with this corner we start. This corner we can use, then start to draw here. Horizontal length we can utilize 89. From this corner to 89 mm. Take the length this and to 89 mm. Then total width of the plate, initially we calculated width of the plate is 32 mm, half of the 64, so 32 enter, again horizontally 89, now the at exactly center we can find out the whole centers. Select the midpoint 16 mm and exact whole position we get the center line, that is a total 32 mm with half scale 32 mm, 16 mm we can draw the center line, we get the center points of the whole. Also take the circle, come on, this is center point, and from center to total diameter it is 11 mm. So diameter of drill is 22, half is 11 mm, sorry, that is the diameter we can take, the radius is 5.5, same hole again on other side also 5.5 radius, enter. The same projection line we can match with the edges. This is the top portion and the block, this is the base part. Now this end portion it is having a half circle, we have already taken the, that is a square block, so change with the circle radius. Complete this part. Now this is the base part. Now block part, take command with the projection line, take the reference of this point, with the thin lines you can draw the vertical projection lines, this end to this nearest point means 32 mm, horizontally again 32 mm, vertically again 32 mm, 32 mm, and the back side width it is a 13, means we can take 6.5 mm, 6.5 mm, draw the horizontal line, mm. Similar way on this end we can take 6.5 with 32 mm. The other side also we can take, and this side also we can take the offset with the command. Now this is the final top view. Erase these lines because that is a C shape. You can see the top view. This is the C shape of the block, and this is the base part, and finally the side view, right hand side view, sorry, left hand side view. Left hand side view can take first complete the base part, the take position lines, start from this corner, height is 9.5, horizontal, that is a width, we can take the from the top view. The side view it is required the width and height. Width it is 32 mm, height is 9.5 mm. Now the base part center line, you can draw the center line at the mid. And the last part it is the block. So in side view we can see the this portion, half portion of the circular part, that is a rectangular one, and this block we can see in the side view. With left hand side view we can draw on the right side of the front view. So for the top block we can start here, take the mark, then this end to height it is 22.5, enter. Horizontal distance is total 64, 32 mm is the width of object, and again downward direction 32 mm. And in this portion, that is internal, this edge, this inclined edge we cannot see from the side view, so that is an invisible edge. Two edges are invisible. For that purpose we require to draw the this edge with dotted line. This corner is the invisible part, we can show with the dotted line. And this is the final answer with the left hand side view. This is the left hand side view LHSV. This is the